Welcome to this short tutorial of Rapid Intake Authoring Basics, the course presentation size. My name is Jeff Batt, the product trainer, and so let's go ahead and start talking about the course presentation size for all Flash courses. Now this only applies to Flash courses, and so any mobile courses this won't actually apply to because the mobile courses actually adapt automatically to the screen real estate. With the Flash courses, those are set at a screen size, height, and width, and so the presentation size is good to know what you need to actually optimize your images or any type of animations that you may be bringing in. So what we'll be covering in this recording is what is the presentation size, how you find out what the presentation size, height, and width is, and also how do I find out the presentation size for my specific course style, whatever course style you may be using, and then adjusting your content for that presentation size. So first of all, let's talk about what is a presentation size for a Flash course style. If I go to this preview, I can see that this course right here, we have the title, we also have a logo. Over on the bottom we have next and back buttons, we have read, we have a glossary button, and then we actually have our page content. Now the page content is the actual presentation area. So the presentation area is what all of your pages and different interactions will go in. Now if you're going to make a Flash animation or you're going to make something somewhere else and you're going to bring it inside of any one of these Flash courses, you'll want to know what the presentation area is, how much size, height, and width you have to work with here in order to bring in those Flash animations and wrap them together inside of a course package. Well, you can do a couple different things. You could take a screenshot of this white area and just kind of make your own guesstimate there. And you can use a tool called Jing, which is a free tool that allows you to drag out a certain area. So I can drag out this white area inside of the Flash tool, and once I'm done I can just go ahead and let go, and it will tell me the capture size. So this one says 651 by 494. That lets me know that I can create Flash animations, or I can create images if I wanted to fill the entire screen at that size, width, and height. I can create videos if I want the videos to be sized to fill the entire width. Then I want to make sure that I have the videos at least by 650, and that will fill the entire width of the presentation area. So that gives me a lot of information to work with in resizing your videos, resizing images. You'll know that you won't want to go anything higher than 494 if you want it to fill the entire height, and so it's a lot of good information to do. Now that would take you a whole lot of time to actually go in and resize every single, or take a screenshot of every single style if you're using multiple different styles. And so what we've done at Rapid Intake is already gone in and or captured the presentation area, size, height, and width for you. And you can find that out on our website. And let me go ahead and show you what the URL is. This is a long URL, so you can pause the video, write down that URL, or navigate to that URL and save it as a bookmark. But this will give you information on the presentation size, height, and width. And so let's go ahead and navigate to that URL. And you'll notice all of my 1024 by 768 styles, I'll just need to know the name of the style, but then it tells me exactly what the presentation size, height, and width of that style is. That gives me a lot of important information. So now I can go into, let's say I'm using the deep black style. So you'll notice I was pretty close on my screenshot, 650 by 492. I can now come into Flash, and if I'm creating an ActionScript 2 animation and I want to make sure that the animation fills the entire screen, or if I'm using Swish, then I would come over and just adjust my stage area to be 650 by 492, and now my stage area will actually fit perfectly inside of my presentation area to be able to wrap all of my different animations, wrap all my images, wrap all my videos together inside of one SCORM package. So that's how you find out the presentation area, size, height, and width, and how you can actually go in and to adjust your content in order to match within that presentation size, height, and width.